everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide the activity on your PlayStation 4 profile. So if you don't want your friends to see your games or media or other stuff on here, like recent activities, what we want to do is go up to the top and then go to Settings and then go to Account Management. Then we want to select Privacy Settings and you'll have to verify your account by typing in your password. Now under here, let's go to Gaming/Media. Then the first option is Activities. So we can select different options under here. We have anyone, friends of friends, friends only, or no one. Choose who can see what you've been up to right here on the top. Then you can allow comments and sharing, videos you watch, or trophies to be shared with friends. Then also if we back up, we have gaming history. We can set this to a different option as well. Anyone, friends of friends, friends only, or no one. Choose who can see the games and trophies that you've earned. Then we can hide specific games. If we only want to hide like Minecraft from the list, we can go to Hidden Games for PS4 and we can select that game and we can hide it from our profile as well. So just select it right here and it will be removed and your friends won't see you playing that. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.